Good day guys, this video is for everyone who is finding it difficult to connect either Binance, OKX, Bybit or EBI exchange to the hamsterkombat game. So if you are participating in the game and you are having this type of problem, it is because of the previously connected wallet. If you remember well, you connected your Ton wallet to the hamsterkombat game, and that is why. So to fix this simple problem, all you need to do is come to the bottom of the airdrop page and then you click on the reset withdrawal options. By resetting and choosing another option, you are able to fix that problem once and for all. Remember to copy the right deposit address for the game. Good luck and see you next time. Bye.